YouTube? I'm back, man. Man, I know I say this every time, but shoot, I know it's been some months, bro. So I'm trying to come back with some more bangers for you guys, man. I've been down because, man, my car been acting up. I don't know what it is. I think it's my transmission. Y'all gonna see when I drive. You're gonna see what's exactly going on. Man, that's all the time, fool. With the Camaros, you have more problems than any car. But it's alright though. We gonna get through it. We gonna get through it though. So I just want to give y'all a little POV. Finna drive. It's gonna be two. It's gonna be daytime, and then next time y'all see me, it's gonna be in the morning. So I'm gonna give y'all a day and morning. Late night. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but hey, I had some technical difficulties, but we back though. Man, we at the red light. So much traffic. Look at this scenery, man. There we go, camera in the inside, sunroof. That's all you need, man. Yeah. But this ain't nothing but a POV, so I ain't finna do too much talking. Just drive, like, just driving. Traffic out here, bro. It's 5 o'clock traffic for you, though. 5 o'clock traffic, man. It's crazy. We approaching the tunnel. You know what that means? I just heard a little dots. Just heard a little dots. Uh-oh, know what that means? I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm gonna come back with y'all in a hot second. They gotta give me something to eat, man. Yeah, man, I told y'all, man, it just ain't nothing to play with, bro. I love this car, bro. But I'll come back with y'all in the hot second, though. YouTube, I'm back. I had to get a pit stop, man. I had to give me something to eat. But man, I'm coming back at y'all, man. Finish this POV on. Next time y'all see this video again, it's gonna be me in the morning. But it's gonna be me in the morning. Cause I'm finna go to work. So yeah, next time y'all see the POV, it's gonna be in the morning. So I'm gonna have 2 times for 2 days for y'all. So it gonna be the same video though. Everything gonna be in the same video. Let's see what I can do for y'all boys. It's nice, but my car still acting up, dog. I gotta take it to the shop tomorrow when I get off. Cause man, it's keep jerking, man. I can't have these problems right now. So that's really why I'm not driving like I want to. Cause the car still kind of messed up, you guys and girls that watching. So I can't really do nothing, but I'm still doing a little video for y'all just to, you know, keep y'all occupied, you know. Yeah, life. I try to crack the window, but it's kind of hot outside. Yeah. See, y'all here is kind of jerking a lot. Can't even get to the gear. Take it to the shop in the morning, see what they say. Hopefully ain't nothing too major, man. Yeah. Still doing pulls for you guys. Even though the mud messed up, but hey, I'm still doing it for you guys, bro. It's no worse than what it is. Yeah, we at the city life, man. I love this city life. It's alright. I ain't gonna do too much talking though. Let y'all hear the car. I ain't really got too much to say. It's a POV. You know, I'm supposed to talk POVs. Car do the talking. I can't really do nothing, man. My car, bro. You know, I be cutting up for you guys, bro. Can't even cut up right now. So I'm just doing what I can, guys. Just bear with me. Also, man, can y'all just like, comment, and subscribe, man. Like to the video, man. I'm back dropping bangers. I know I've been off, but still, you know why? Still have a car problem, so it's not 100%, but still doing something for you guys. So yeah, look at the scenery, man. You know, we go McDonald's, we go peanut butter seats. Don't forget the camera though, sunroof. You know. Another mirror up there. Got a little sign here. Little V6. Man, this ain't getting worse, man. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the shop in the morning, guys. See what they say. Like I said, I hope it ain't nothing bad. Yeah, she gonna do this I'm back making videos, man. Even though my car's still not perfect, but I'm gonna get it right. Yeah, I'm gonna be dropping every day. So this is probably gonna be it for right now, guys. So can y'all just like, comment, and subscribe for me, and I'll be back. Peace. YouTube, I'm back. I told you next time y'all see me gonna be nighttime. Well, it's early in the morning, but you know, just want y'all to get a little POV of the interstate, man. Or 5 in the morning interstate. Damn shit for you boys. This what 5 o'clock traffic look like. Well, ain't no traffic out here yet, but when we get on the interstate, y'all gonna see. But I just want y'all to hear the drive, that's all. Down, just go crazy, bro. But yeah, this what we looking like, man. Open this sunroof up for you. Yeah, it's alright. Open it up for you guys, man. I see the lighting in here going crazy. Oh, he want to speed up. Okay. We got a little extra. Okay. We got a little extra. Yeah, that wind going crazy right now. Yeah. Man, I wish I could hear those pops. Boy, them pops go crazy, bro. I'm just cruising, I ain't even going fast right now. I'm finna get out, so that's why I ain't just really going fast. I gotta hit those damn shit. Man. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna end this POV off. I told y'all I was gonna have 3 videos in the same one, so. Hey man, I told y'all coming back with more bangers, man. So like, comment, subscribe, man. I got more videos on the way. Peace.